check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. This is a quick update for you guys, giving you guys some technical analysis for AMC and APE as well. I mostly focus on AMC in this video, but we also talk about the new settlement that has just dropped. There is new settlement news that just dropped. If you are not aware about this, I'm going to be talking about the new settlement news that just dropped, my thoughts, feelings, and opinions on this, and also the facts involved in the settlement. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data. This video is not financial advice. Let's go. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. So obviously, if you have not heard, they already have resubmitted a proposal for the settlement. Now, obviously, this tells me a few things. I'm going to be going over all of this, what I think about it, my decisions, my choices, everything in between, everything in this video. It's going to be a little bit different. I am going to cover the technical analysis I did last night. So I dropped a video late last night. If you guys want to check that out on AMC and APE, where I think the price is going to be going based off the technicals and fundamentals. So you guys can check that out as well. But I do have a little bit more information on AMC price action here. So I did a little bit more TA after that video. And we do have a potential bull flag here. So I'm going to talk about that as well. What I think about that. So we'll be talking about all of that and more in this video. Again, this video is going to be a little bit different than normal. It's going to be basically news based and not TA based. Let's go ahead and hop in the charts and see what we have going on. So the first thing I want to talk about is the AMC settlement. So the AMC settlement. So right now, basically, they have resubmitted the proposal for AMC stock, basically saying that they don't want to use the immunity for APE holders. So they're basically going to say that APE holders can now sue AMC after the settlement. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is this is all just more stall tactic. This is a desperation tactic. Okay, so the fact that they have done it so fast, the fact that they went out over the weekend and paid their lawyers for weekend fees and all that stuff and overtime, all that bullcrap, the fact that they went and pushed for this so fast shows that they are in extreme desperation and they're extremely scared. So I want to point out a couple things that a lot of people are failing to realize right now. Shorts are already in a very bad position. Okay, just be with, like, remember what I was telling you guys, that if we just get a little push up to the upside, like, we're gonna be good. Like, if we could just get above $5, we're gonna be good. We're above $5. Okay, so we're good. They are extremely desperate. I've been telling you guys, like, so let me run this back for you guys. So basically, for the past couple of days, they've been shorting us and trying to keep us between this range. You guys can see we've been range bound for basically days, basically between this 450 and 390 range. So we've just been in this range, just kind of consolidating, range bound back and forth for AMC. To do that to us, because we were so bullish in holding up position and not being crashed to the downside, they had to get a ton of FTDs, a ton of fake shares, create a market imbalance order, make brand new short entries to all-time highs for AMC, and run the cost to borrow up to over 1,000%. Let's go ahead and check out the cost to borrow for AMC and show you guys what the cost to borrow is. I think it's at about 944%, but we will go ahead and check that. But again, 991% cost to borrow on AMC. Elevation of the cost to borrow levels are maintained elevated. This is bullish, bullish, bullish. The fact that they paid $40 per share down in this range and all those new short positions got started, those short positions are already in the red. They're going to want to cover those new short positions. They started off in the red. They're going to want to cover it. This is extreme desperation tactic. Okay, so first of all, the whole thing is FUD. Remember I made the video and said the court case is FUD? The court case is fear, uncertainty, doubt. When you hear this stuff about the court case, what does it make you feel like? It makes you feel fear, uncertainty, and doubt. The reason why it doesn't make me feel that, because I have all the facts. You guys just got to understand that we're good. Like, just, I know it doesn't make sense. It's like a trust me bro thing, but bro, we are good for real. Like, we're good. I have the facts. We got the facts. We got the data. As long as you stay on top of things and look at the TA, look at the charts, look at the data, look at the fundamentals, just all the data points, and leave emotion at the door. Just look at data points and leave emotion at the door. You'll be good. It will guide you down a straight path. And what it's telling me is that we are good. There's nothing they can do. The only thing that could stop this thing is if AMC got delisted or went bankrupt. And there's a couple of, like, Adam Aaron lovers right now, taking AMC side. Like, I'm so mad at AMC because they're basically hostile towards us at this point. As a shareholder for AMC, I am so mad at AMC because they're basically hostile at this point, because they are basically saying, look, if we don't get this settlement and we don't get this reverse split, we're going to go bankrupt and your investment's going to go to zero. Listen, I'm here for a short squeeze, my boy. So as long as I get my squeeze, I'm out. All you guys got to do is maintain till 2025. Like, if you guys hold on just a year longer, this thing's going to squeeze in that time period. This thing's about to squeeze right now, but I'm just saying, like, if something crazy happened, we're good. So I'm not worried about it. I'm sorry. Like, saving AMC was a byproduct. I know it sounds messed up, but saving AMC was a byproduct. I'm not one of these AMC stands that are just gonna be like, yeah, save AMC, AMC. I would do anything for AMC at one point, but Adam Aaron has gone against me so many times doing ape and stopping the Moass, because we could have squeezed 100 times over already. We could have squeezed 100 times over if it wasn't for the reverse split, if it wasn't for ape, if it wasn't for a couple of things that Adam Aaron directly did to stop the Moass. And I know a lot of apes are not up on that, but you guys got to realize that he's not on our side. He's playing both sides, and he's not on our side. So as a shareholder, like, I'm upset with Adam Aaron. They're basically hostile at us, and they're basically saying, like, they're gonna go bankrupt if they don't do this. If you guys don't get on your job and do your job and start creating different streams of revenue, like the popcorn, like the credit card, and keep doing those things, then you guys got to get out of there. You guys got to stop being CEOs. You got to get out of there. And as shareholders, we have the power to do that. So I think that everyone should keep that in mind. Now, again, like I was saying, I know I get a little bit off track sometimes, but guys, the settlement is fear, uncertainty, doubt. We're good. Again, the details on the settlement, without the trust me, bro, is these are the facts that they had said that they resubmitted the settlement where they were not going to give APE or AMC immunity from APE shareholders. That was one of the big things. But listen, Judge Zern in a way already had said that APE was illegal. And I do believe that is going to be the status quo for this case, that she doesn't really like APE. And this whole thing is not going to get approved. There's no way that a settlement is going to get approved, in my personal opinion. I just don't see a way where both parties and the judge can come to terms where this thing would get approved in any way, shape, or form, resubmitted in any way, shape, or form at all. So this is what I'm looking at for the AMC court case. I personally think it's fear, uncertainty, doubt. I think it's FUD. I think this is a desperation tactic. The fact that they are trying to do this so quick, they need this to go through. Look, we're good. All right. So that's what I'm thinking about that. A lot of people asked me to comment on that. I already made a short video on it. I just wanted to make a official video on it so you guys can get my opinions, thoughts, and facts about that. So let's go ahead and move on to the TA and show you guys what I'm looking at for AMC stock. Again, I dropped a video for AMC and APE telling you guys where I think AMC and APE is going to go based off of the technicals. But after that video, I did a little bit more research looking on the smaller time frames and identified this possible bull flag here. So let's go ahead and talk about that and what we could see for AMC and if this bull flag does play out. So basically, we would want to be maintaining this uptrend if this bull flag is going to play out, or at the very least, holding this $6 or $7 mark as support. So you don't want to see AMC go under $7. If AMC can hold this $7 range into open, we could see this thing go absolutely flying here on open, especially if this bull flag plays out. So again, if we see AMC stay flat and then stay flat into pre-market, we could see a big push to the upside once market opens. Now, I am in the assumption that AMC is going to be retesting these lower levels of $6.30, also $7 or $5.75, and $6. And so $6.50, $6.50, $6.15, and then also $5.72. These are the levels of support. I do believe AMC might be retesting one of these in market open, so watch for these levels of support when market opens. If the bull flag does play out, we will be holding the $7 level as support and just start pushing to the upside. Also, I made another scenario where we could see a gap up in pre-market. Obviously, that's the thing that everyone wants to see, a big gap up pre-market. That is not what I think is going to happen. What I think is most likely going to happen, again, I give 3 scenarios on my previous video, but what I think is most likely to happen is to hold this $7 range into open. Market opens and we see a slight drop in market open, basically retesting like one of these levels, and then just get an immediate bounce after that and having a green day on Monday. So that's what I'm looking at for AMC based off the technicals. Again, I do think we're going to consolidate in this bull flag, seeing a slight drop when market opens and then get a recovery. That's the most likely scenario. We could see a gap up to the upside, or we could just see it stay flat into pre-market and rocket to the upside. It's really too early to tell, so that's why I have to give you multiple scenarios. Literally way too early to tell. Once I have some pre-market price action, I can give you guys much more clear predictions. So make sure you tune into my channel first thing in the morning on Monday, where I do my pre-market predictions on my shorts feed. So on my shorts feed, I do pre-market predictions for AMC, GME, SPY. Make sure you check those out, where I will giving my pre-market predictions once we get the pre-market price action. I'll be giving you guys those predictions. Again, the price action is clues. It gives me data. The more data I have, the more I can tell you. After a big pump like this, I need a little bit more price action to determine what is going to be happening. Once I get this pre-market price action, I will be pretty accurate on what I do think is going to be happening. And again, if you want to see what's happening for APE, go ahead and check out my previous video. But I basically had said APE is going to be in a basically recovery mode and actually start to move to the upside. I give you guys more details about that, but basically I say APE is actually going to move to the upside and explain why I feel like that. But guys, this is the video. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and give you guys the update about the settlement, the new settlement. I know a lot of people are getting nervous about that. They're disheartened about that. Guys, that's exactly what they want. Don't feed into this. We're good. We're golden. The facts are on our side. God's on our side. We're good. So guys, if you found that video informative, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. My Discord is $50 for a lifetime invite. $50 for a lifetime invite. Link down below is my Instagram and Twitter. All you have to do to get in my Discord is hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. Say, hey, I want to get in the Discord. Send me payment and I'm going to send you the link. It's that easy. I have a great community there. Great people. We're all doing good things, sharing stories, also talking about technical analysis, charts, AMC all day long. So if you want to join that community, go ahead and check us out. I also have a membership on the channel. It's $2.99 a month, cancel anytime. You get validation as a member on the channel, exclusive EGMOs and badges as a member on the channel. $2.99 a month, cancel anytime. And I'm also working on my trading course, which will be available soon. As soon as it is, I will make an announcement. Down below, I have a website link. So if you want more details about the trading class, go ahead and check out my website. Link down below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you that watched to the end to see this message. Have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.